The scourge of law enforcement now on the radar in the South Carolina Low Country as investigators are recovering illegal devices that can convert a firearm into a machine gun that can wreak havoc, death. And stopping these devices has become an uphill battle because the crooks have found cheap ways to manufacture them.
We're working a crime scene where 4 people were killed and 15 were injured, and this happened within a couple of seconds.
The October deadly mass shooting outside of the St. Helena Island bar lasted only seconds, but tragically changed lives for generations. Investigators suspect an illegal machine gun was used to spray bullets in the parking lot full of patrons from Willie's Bar and Grill.
And all the evidence we have was that the shooter in this case that is responsible not only for 4 people that have been murdered, but also 15 others injured, was using a switch on a handgun.
The Beaufort County Sheriff's Office arrested Anthony Devon Freeman as one of the suspects in the mass shooting. The 27-year-old charged with 4 counts of murder and charged with possession of a machine gun.
Do you think Mr. Freeman had a illegal machine gun?
I do.
You think he had a conversion device on the gun that
That's
night?
correct.
That's your contention?
And he lost control of the muzzle of that weapon. Wow. And that's why so many people were shot. That's why so many people were killed.
Law enforcement says losing control is what makes an outlawed machine gun created from an illegal conversion device so dangerous. We showed Sheriff Tanner and WJCL 22 Investigate story on this issue from April 2022.
It's frightening just to see what the gun can do. And
you just made a motion with your hands. You have very little control of where that bullet actually goes.
South Carolina is seeing a dramatic increase in the number of outlawed machine guns that are against state and federal law.
Law enforcement has made more machine gun cases in the past 2 years than they did in the previous 10 put together. So this is a real problem.
The solicitor's office provided me with this data. It shows the number of cases pending for defendants caught for allegedly having an illegal machine gun. Out of the 5 counties in the 14th Circuit, Beaufort and Jasper have had the most with 33 and 16 respectively.
This is not unique to Beaufort and Jasper County. It's not unique to the 14th Circuit. I've talked to Chief Mark Keel, the head of the State Law Enforcement Division. He says he is seeing this throughout the state.
Why is that, do you think, sir?
One of them, though, is the prevalence of 3D printers.
The 3D printer has given criminals fast and easy access to the illegal conversion devices. The Georgia branch of the ATF showing WJCL 22 News investigates how easy and cheap it is to make them or buy them online.
I mean, it complicates the mission because we're finding these on the streets. And so that is, the criminals are able to shoot more rounds, cause more damage in a quicker amount of time.
The ATF invests hours in training law enforcement to identify these weapons and devices, and the sheriff warns that the public needs to know the consequences of these crimes.
I need them to see the value of that, and the value of possessing that gun is 10 years of their life in prison. You'll go to prison for 10 years just for possessing this gun. That's outside of shooting it.
And Freeman's defense attorney tells WJCL 22 News investigates that he does not communicate with the media while the case is pending. According to the solicitor's office, Freeman has not entered a plea to any of the charges against him. His next court date is March 3rd.